Good morning. I am gonna get started getting ready. I need to brush my teeth. I use sunscreen every single day. That's fine. Hello. Eggs, veggies, probably some avocado, and maybe some toast. This is such a Polish thing, but frozen bread. This is a huge mushroom. Pop that right in there. Oh, my toast is done. An Alani energy drink. Every time I see someone drinking some ice water, it makes me want to drink some ice water. So this is for you. Weirdly enough, I like sitting right here on the edge of my couch. Okay, I'm getting up. Oh my god! To be completely honest, I think that's it for today. It wasn't even like 5 minutes of yoga. Peace. Okay, I'm back. This is the fit. I like doing this in the bathtub because I don't want it to get all over the floor. This is so strange that I'm doing this on camera, but whatever. Make sure to get your feet, ladies and gents. I'm gonna grab a towel and set up my chair outside, and I'll see you out there. One sec. Oh my god, you know that song Sandstorm? I'm back from tanning. I like needed to cool off a little bit because I was like so hot. I'm gonna make some stuffed peppers. I'm just gonna make some rice and then like heat up the beef enough for it to just get warm, and then mix in the rice and mix in the tomato sauce and let it cook for a little bit, and then put it in the peppers. I hate when YouTubers include that godforsaken noise. Oh my god, you know what noise I'm talking about. It's like the classic iPhone alarm sound that sounds like you're about to get nuked. Like, I hate that sound. It literally gives me PTSD. Do you hear how much that's sizzling and popping? I was doing that in the oven and I was kind of concerned that something was gonna happen, but it's fine. How much is 8 ounces? It says it on here. Ounces. 8 ounces is 1 cup. Okay. I feel like that's literally like a second grade level of knowledge and I didn't know that, so it's kind of embarrassing. But I actually love tomato sauce. Oh. So I'll see you in 15 minutes. I love Vaseline. I use it as my chapstick because nothing compares. It just always hits a spot. And honestly, if I put enough on, it looks like lip gloss. So. Oh. This looks scrumptious umptious. Boom, bing, boom, bing, boom. Oh, I think it's still hot. That is amazing. The pepper gives it like moistness, and the beef gives it flavor, and like the rice gives it like body. So it's not just beefy. And I think the rice kind of absorbed a lot of the saltiness of the beef. So It's like perfectly well balanced. I think it might need like a little bit of pepper, and it would be really good if it was spicier, but my mom doesn't really like spice, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. But this is good. That's all for today. It's been a good day, and yeah, I don't really know what else to say. So I'll see you in the next one.